executive representative of you, the Social Club Committee, I have great pleasure in informing you that the management have agreed to let us run the canteen ourselves. As the idea was Brother Stan's here, I would like to nominate him to be first chairman and treasurer of the canteen subcommittee. Now, will somebody propose him?
I propose him.
Right.
I second him.
Well done.
Yes, well, if you feel that way about it, fellas, yes.
And as chairman, Brother Stan's first duty will be to engage a decent, skilled, qualified cook.
Wait a minute. Where am I going to get a cook from?
Well, you're the chairman, mate. Don't worry, we'll all help you. We'll all stand behind you. God blimey, is that the time I must get off home?
So must I.
Yeah.
Be lucky tomorrow, Steve.
About the cook, you see, fellas, is it? Yes, of course.
Cheer up. Hey, Stan.
What?
If you want a good cook, my wife needs a job.
Your missus? She can cook for a canteen?
Oh, yes, indeed. She has worked in canteen for 2 years.
She? Oh, I'll give her a try, yeah. Here, wait a minute. You sure she'll know what the blokes will want?
Goodness gracious me. She's cooked for busman before, you know.
Has she? That's it. She's on. I'll tell her what. Tell her she can start first thing tomorrow morning. Good old Sharma, mate. God! Yeah. Hiya, fellas. Hey, what's the grub like then, Bert?
What's the grab like? It's blooming old you can't even eat it. What are you and Jet playing at?
Oh, Lord.
Jack, what's up, mate? What's wrong? What's the matter with the cook? What's wrong with her?
See for yourself.
Hello, Mrs. Sharma. I am Stan Butler, and I am chairman of the canteen committee.
हम नहीं समझते हम अंग्रेजी नहीं बोलते हम काली डोरी इस मुल्क में
What's she talking about?
You're flogging a dead horse, mate. She doesn't speak a word of English.
You must be joking. I can't understand it. Our old man Sharma's worked in this garage for 2 years.
He's just sent for her. She's been here 2 days.
He told me she worked in a canteen for busmen before.
Oh, yes, she did. On the Bombay buses.
Well, if she don't speak English, I'll just point to a saucepan and when I get it, I'll know what it is.
Yeah, I've got it. I still don't know what it is. Here, smell that. Gandhi's Revenge.
Very nice, curry.
You like it?
I don't know, I've never had it. I'll go and find out. Mrs. Sharma? Sure. Thank you.
That's it.
What?
Now, you fixed it. Now let's see you eat it. Come on, let's see you eat it.
What's the matter with you?
Get it down. Well, go on, eat it.
Come on. Of course I'll eat it.
Eat it then.
Come on, then. Oh, blimey, nothing in this. No.
Well, go on. Come on, eat, son.
I did, it's all right. It's lovely. Take your eyes water a bit, yeah. No, it's all right. You've got to get used to it, Bert. That's all, ain't you, Jack? Ain't you?
Oh, yes. Lovely, yeah.
Now, come on, break it up. Get some butter now. Come on.
Blimey, it's a bit strong, though.
Yeah, come on, you two. Get that grub down and get out. Come on, you'll do it out in 7 minutes.
Yes, Stan, I can't eat no more of that.
Put up a good show. It's lovely, isn't it? Lovely.
Well, yeah, we've got a new cook here today.
Yeah.
What's the grub like, all right?
Oh, lovely.
Oh, curry, eh?
Oh,
Lovely.
You like it, do you?
I was 5 years out in India. They sent me out there during the war, you know. They needed men like me.
They wanted to show the Indians what it'd be like if Hitler came.
I got a medal for what I did.
Did you? What was it, the Iron Cross?
Sweet. At least I can speak the language. Namaste.
नमस्ते
God blimey, she's praying to it.
No, with that hat on, she thinks he's the immigration officer.
She's greeting me.
Oh, I got it. No, it's the moustache. She thinks you're Enoch Powell.
Imulik tikai,
Sam kesai.
ham tikai. Kia kona hai.
Mata baji.
Metabalji? Metabalji! Yameli pasam kahai. Econodo. Metabalji.
Canada sab.
Tikai. A Torah Charles 8 mug.
Tola chal.
Tikai. Metabalji. Metabalji. Yameli pasam kahai.
What's all them little bowls?
Oh, they're pickles, mate. You always have them with the pickles. Never have it on its own.
Blimey, it couldn't be any worse anyway. Let's have a go at the pickles, mate. Now that, Jack, that's it. Now that I would...
What's the matter, mate? Is it on?
Oh, it's melted me fillings.
You can't take it, can you?
God, it's just a shock for a minute. Of course I can take it. We're used to this stuff, aren't we, Jack?
Not a bad curry, was it? Might have been a bit hotter, though, mind you.
So good, I'll go have a drop more water. It's no good. It's coming out faster than it's going in.
Oh, I'll give anything for a cup of cha.
I thought you said she couldn't speak English.
You moronic twit. Char is Indian for tea.
Well, I don't care what it is as long as it's a cup of tea, that's all I know. Thank you very much, Mrs. Ulrich. That lark again, thank you. It's bitter!
I saw her put the sugar in.
I forgot to tell you. It's salt. They drink it like that out that way.
Anything else you forgot to tell us?
Yes, you're due out. Come on. Get in that bus. Come on.
Yeah, all right.
Get number 11. I want you out the depot right away.
Yeah, right. Just be that, mate.
How do you feel, mate?
Oh, that matter barging, mate. Go on, Bill, this here. I got spots before the eyes. Oh.
What's the matter with you? Has he been drinking, has he?
No. The curry upset him.
Oh, yeah. Well, it is an acquired taste, you know.
Yeah, I've acquired it and I can't get rid of it.
I thought I ought to tell you. Some of your mates are waiting up in the canteen for you. Looks like a lynching party.
His sense of humour's rapidly losing its magic for me.
A little scene. You wouldn't be leaving, would you?
No, we were just coming in there, Bert.
Me and the boys will have a word with you.
Now, what's the matter, Bert?
Well, we've had a... Now, right, boys?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, we've decided that you've got to get a new cook for tomorrow.
Cheers.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, wait a minute. But what about Mrs. Sharma?
Mrs. Sharma, you're joking. We've told her that she's not quite right for the job, see?
Yeah.
So we sacked her on your behalf.
Right. That's right.
What?
Yeah. All we want is a cook the same as the old management used to have.
But you said they used to cook a lot of rubbish.
Yeah. But it used to be a load of British rubbish.
They never know what they want. Where am I going to get another cook from?
I don't think you quite got rid of the first one, mate.
Oh, hello.
I'm sorry, mate. My wife wasn't suitable.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Sharma.
Can I have her wages, please?
Yeah, of course you can. Now, let's see. That we agreed on £7 an hour. 6 hours, about £2.2. What have we got to till, Jack?
10 and 4. As treasurer, you'll have to make up the other £1.11 and 8 out of your own pocket till we're in profit.
Aye?
Blimey.
Oh, no. What? She was dismissed. She should have 1 week's wages.
Oh, yes, he's quite right, you know, yes. As shop steward, I must uphold that. We can't have no discrimination. You'll have to pay her 1 week's wages in lieu of notice. That'll be a total of £11.8 and threepence.
£11.8 and threepence?
It's all right, you'll get it back when the canteen's in profit.
Yeah, but blimey, this is your money.
And the national insurance stamp.
Oh, yeah, well, you might as well let him buy that. It's another 15 and 7. That'll be a total of £12 3 and 10pence.
£12 3 and 10pence?
Hang on. What? I wonder if she's entitled to severance pay.
Shut up, you mug. She'll be wanting her holiday money next. All right, what'd you say it was? £12?
12 3 10.
12 3, 12 3. And that bit there. There you are, Mrs. Sharma. £12 3 and 10pence.
England is a wonderful country.
Chalo, meri jaan ghar chalo.
You can say that again. £12 3 and 10 for a plate of curry. Blimey, that's the dearest plate of curry I'll ever had, I'll tell you.
You better start saving up for the next cook then, haven't you?
Shut up. I'll have some more water. Now I know why they have so many droughts in India.
Stan, are you sure you won't have any dinner? This Irish stew of olives lovely.
Oh, blimey, Mum, don't make it worse. I've got enough trouble as it is trying to find a new cook for the canteen tomorrow.
Yeah, well, I still don't know why you can't put the job Olive's way.
I said I've got enough trouble as it is. Blimey, those fellas kicked up enough fuss about that curry.
Yeah, well, she wouldn't make curry, would she?
The way she cooks, they might wish she had.
Don't be so rude.
I didn't mean it that way, love, but you'd have to cook for 60 busmen.
60 men?
60? Oh, they might start taking liberties with her.
I don't think she'll have that problem.
They got too much respect for her.
Yeah, I suppose you could say that. Anyway, she'll be bringing home quite a tidy pay packet, and there's 12 free meals a week thrown in. That's
yeah,
worth...
and the way she cooks, it'll be about threepence, mate.
Oh, no, Olive can cook all right.
Oh, come off it, Mum. The last time she made an Irish stew, she put a cough mixture in it.
I thought it was gravy browning.
It wasn't her fault the glasses got steamed up.
She shouldn't have bent over the saucepan.
She had her reading glasses on. She couldn't see the steam.
Well, it was awful. I don't know how we ate it.
Oh, well. It may not have been tasty, but at least it was healthy.
Look, mate, Olive may not be the greatest cook in the world, but what she makes is good enough for a lot of scruffy busmen.
Now, look here, mate. Those fellas can tell good grub from bad.
What? Some of your mates can't tell the difference between a knife and a fork.
Now, look, Olive can make all sorts of tasty dishes if she wants to. She always watches Fanny Craddock.
She watches Dr. Kildare, but I wouldn't let her take my appendix out.
No, I don't think she'd do that, you know.
No, she might have her wrong glasses on.
Now, let's stop all this argument,
All right,
Stan.
all right.
Look, you give Olive the job.
Mum, she wouldn't be able to manage on her own.
Oh, all right. I'll give her a hand.
Oh, yes, Mum. Now, what an idea. Ah, good old Mum. Now then. Yes, the two of you. Yes, you could manage, yes.
All right, I'll help you with the lunches.
Righto, Olive. You start tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. You get the first teas out for the busman.
6 o'clock? Oh, Arthur, do you hear that? It's hardly worth me going to bed.
Oh, right, you are.
Hello, lads. Hello. Bert, what's the grub like today, eh?
It's not even ready yet. Now, look, get your blooming cook to get a move on. We'll all do ours.
All right. I didn't know. Hang on a minute, hang on. Hey, why ain't it ready?
You didn't tell me it was an electric stove.
What's wrong with it?
Oliver's 20 minutes trying to light it.
Olive, what are you doing cutting the chips by hand? There's a lovely chipping machine there. It's lovely and sharp.
Oh, no.
Oh, don't tell me you caught both fingers in the chip and you cheat together.
No. I found when she was cutting the bandage for a finger.
Oh. Anyway, what have we got for lunch?
Well, we've got fish and chips, pudding and custard.
That's good. Is it ready?
No, I'm afraid not. I can't get this here. It starts to melt. You know, it's the worst of these electric stoves. They won't heat up. It's been 2 hours on here.
Well, it's a funny smell, that's all I can say. Let's have a look at it. Just a minute. Come on, Mum. Let's have a look. See what you've done. Where's the knot? Oh, blimey, Mum, you got it on the wrong one.
Oh, well, no wonder it hasn't melted the fat.
No, but it's melted the saucepan, look.
Oh, yes, well, that was the funny smell, wasn't it?
Oi, lightning. What about some grub?
Now, keep calm, Bert. Keep calm, mate.
Keep
We're trying to dish it up fresh. All right, that's all right. Now, see what you've done. Where's the fish? Come on, where's the fish?
I'll put it in the fridge.
Right.
No, not that one. That one there.
You idiot, that's the deep freeze.
Oh, it's all right. They're all cold.
Look at half that. Look at that. I'll have to put them under the hot chat and thaw it out.
Oh, dear.
Well, it's all very well, mate. You would call it an half cold, too, won't it?
Oh, that'll ruin the flavour. It won't taste like fish.
It doesn't matter. As long as it smells like fish, they'll be happy. Well, some of these fillets are melting out. That one ain't, no. Look at that, a fish lolly. These are all right. Hey, Olive, get the taters ready. I'll batter these fillets up.
All right.
Oh, what's the matter now?
This is not batter, it's custard.
Don't you know better when you see it?
Not Olives, I don't. Oh, blimey, I can't serve it up like this.
Do you think they'll notice?
Even busmen won't eat cod with fried custard.
Hey, Stan, what's your lot doing? The lads are getting very restless, you know. They want their grub. They've got to take the buses out.
All right. Keep your hair on, mate. I just want to get this custard off this fish. Mum?
Yeah.
Is the fat melting in that pan?
No, it won't. It won't melt.
Well, put it on the quick ring, the one that the saucepan was on.
Oh, yes, all right. Oh, it's got a lot of metal on this here.
Well, don't pick it up out.
Well, look at it, it's all covered in metal.
Stop picking it back with that.
Oh!
That's it now, hasn't it? That's done it, hasn't it? You've blown a fuse.
I never touched a fuse. I wasn't anywhere near it, was I, love?
I don't mean that. You've poked about. You've made a short and it's gone. Oh, blimey, never mind. I'll have to fix a bit. Jack, give us a hand, will you, mate?
Hang on, mate. Hang on. Don't touch that.
I won't get a shock.
You will if the shop stewards find out about it.
So what?
Look, as shop steward, I cannot allow that. We cannot allow you mucking about with that. You could bring the whole country to an halt. Be Fords all over again.
All right. Get the electrician in here. Get him in here.
Can't do that.
Why?
He's having his lunch break.
Oh, well, can't cook if the stove's off. Do you think I could serve it up raw?
Raw? Mum, we've got Indians, we've got Pakistanis, we've got Nigerians, we've got all sorts here, but we haven't got Eskimos.
I meant serve it up with a nice sauce.
Oh, come out of it. I'll get something organised. Leave it to me.
Yeah.
Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Oh, why are we waiting?
Do they always have community singing in the lunch hour?
Well, it's not usual.
Oh. Do the busmen always sing this tune?
No, it's generally the passengers.
Oh.
Built up me now. Soon be ready.
Oh, little Mr. Stanhope, he's found an electrician.
Come on in.
There we go.
What have you got there? Here,
I've got 30 portions of fish and chips. I went over to Joe's bar and got them, you see. So, get the plate out, Here, open those. They're all in there, look. Open them up. Put them down there. Pick them up in a minute. You got those? Yeah. I'll go and have a word with Les. Hang on. Sorry about the wait, lads. And no, keep calm. And if we got you your nice fish and chips, all fresh, you can come and get it. It's ready.
Yeah, all right. Stand back there, stand back. Make way for the inspector. Go on, get out of it. Go on.
Thanks.
We'd like you to have yours first.
Oh, thanks very much.
Just
very
in
nice
case it's poisoned.
Here you are, Mr. Moore here.
Control it.
Here you are, pay at the desk. Got any more fish chips there, Olive?
Yeah, they're lovely.
What are you doing?
Having me lunch.
Go on, lovely.
Oh, this is delicious, Mrs. Butler.
Oh,
delicious.
thank you.
Yes, I generally go across to Joe's Fish Bar, you know, for it, but it's never as good as this. I can see this is freshly cooked. You know, when it comes to cooking, I'm a bit of a connoisseur, you know.
Oh, really? Well, it's 1 and 6 a portion.
No, not 1 and 6, Mum. No, Mum, not 1 and 6.
So up there, look on the sleeve.
I
1
don't
and
want
6
to
a
get- it's not 1 and 6
portion.
a portion.
1 and 6, that's very cheap, you know.
I say it's very cheap. It cost me 4 bob a portion. Blimey, what a day.
I hear the organisation was a trifle chaotic. How typical. There's more to running a canteen than driving a bus, you know.
Oh, I don't think it was so bad. I heard that we sell more meals than they had ever before.
Yeah, lost 2 and 6 on every one.
Yeah, well, of course, you do have to know how to count.
Shut up. Sit down, Jack. You doing all right, ain't you? Wine, chicken, trifle?
Yeah, well, no one home to get my supper. My wife earning a good pay packet. I thought I could stretch myself to a few luxuries.
Mm-hmm. Well, you want to make the most of it. She's got the bullet.
Eh? Why?
Why?
I've had a few words with the management. They've agreed to run the canteen again.
I thought you were going to do it better than the management.
Oh, he did. He lost more in 2 days than they lost in 6 months. Here, I've jotted it down. Look, have a look at that. £17.10 down.
£4. Hey, wait a minute, mate. You're more down than that. You've forgotten Olive's money.
Olive's money? Blimey, she didn't do a stroke.
There's nothing in the union rules about that, mate. You're a shop steward, am I right?
Oh, he's quite right. Yeah.
She's entitled to a week's wages.
She ain't got hope.
No, he's quite right. You paid Mrs. Sharma.
Yeah, but that's different. Mrs. Sharma was an Indian.
Look, we can't have no discrimination. You'll have to pay her, mate. Maybe the lads will have a whip round for you later. Maybe.
Oh, you must pay your debts.
Nah, forget it, Mum.
Now, look. If you don't pay Olive, I will.
What with?
With the money you gave me to save for your holiday.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
No, don't argue. Sit down and I'll make you a nice cup of cocoa for you and Jack for supper.
Cocoa? Cocoa? With an overpaid brother-in-law and an overpaid sister? That's right. Come on, get the chicken, mate. Take the wine, will you?
What do you think you're doing?